and resistivity. So this pretty much sums up the type of question you're going to get. So you're given the length of the wire at a resistance of 4.3 ohms. So we put that in here on our list. Okay, it has a length of 61 centimeters. So as we're at it, we might as well just change that to meters. 0.61 of a meter. Its diameter is 0.828 of a millimeter. This is where people get caught. So the diameter is 0.28 millimeters. So you have steps. Okay, so you need to go from diameter to radius. Okay, so that's just dividing by 2. So radius is clearly 0.28 divided by 2, 0.14 of a millimeter. Okay, now at this stage, we need to change that into meters. So we know, replace the milli with a 10 to the power minus 3 or divide by 1,000, and we have that. People forget to do that, so watch that one. Okay, right, so our first step, we're looking for the resistivity. Our formula, we know, is this one. So what you will always have to do is you have to go and get the area first. Okay, they haven't said it, but they're implying that it has a circular cross-sectional area, so it is clearly the area of a circle, pi r squared. So pi times 0.14 by 10 to the minus 3 squared. It's going to be a very small little area. Sorry, that's the calculator. Okay, so it's pi multiplied by 0.14 exponential minus 3 to be squared. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, so we get 6.16 by 10 to the minus 8 meters squared. Okay, it's a really small area. So we have our area now. Okay, so we are now in a position, we have resistance, we have length to get the resistivity. So it's the resistance, which we were given as 4.3 by the area, 6.16 by 10 to the minus 8 over the length, 0.61. Okay, so work that out. So 4.3 multiplied by 6.16 minus 8 divided by 0.61, and we end up with an answer of 4.34 by 10 to the minus 7. And remember the unit, ohm meters. Okay, and you expect for elements, for reasonably high resistive material, the resistivity is still going to be very small because you're talking about an area of 1 square meter, which is a huge area. Okay, so there you go.